Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your OPPO Find X2 Neo. And to do this, open up the Google Play Store. Right here, try to find Firefox. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Now begin the setup. So select a different browser on the top. Select a different theme for this browser on the top. Next is to pick a toolbar placement. You can sign in to turn on synchronization between other browsers from Firefox, and privacy protection. Change privacy protection settings. You can read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. Here, open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.